So much of what was happening on Satya, the rushes that one got, were always unexpected. You know, we had been sat through multiple narrations, discussions, which used to happen in Ramoji's Varsova flat over vodka, and everyone was there, from Urmila Matondkar to Saurabh Shukla to Anurag Kashyap to Manoj Bajpayee to the assistants to the editor to the DOP Mazhar Kamran and Jared Cooper, and everyone was there. So that spirit of, you know, we are all part of something, extremely enjoyable and also extremely brave, because you see the context is so important. What you see in Satya was what we were living at the time. Producers were getting shot every day. Rakesh Roshan was shot at. One of the production controllers of Satya was assassinated before the film released. So things like this are very real. So this particular scene that you're talking about, I remember very vividly because it was not. Yeah, I had I had seen this scene on the shoot, and it was we had resumed shoot after many days. I think it was August 11th or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. It was either the day after or a couple of days after, or maybe the same day that the producer Gulshan Kumar of the series had been shot dead, not too far from where we were shooting this Tabela scene. You know, now Gulshan Kumar was a friend of Ram Gopal. You know, and the man was extremely shaken because you see, here you are making something so sensitive and dealing with all these characters and uh, you know uh, and your friend who's another producer got shot just 5 minutes away. So it took a lot of courage for Ram Gopal Verma to actually carry on the shoot. So it was that particular shooting schedule around that time where the Pakia orchestra karne ka hai basti mein scene was to be shot. And the way Ram Gopal Verma used to work. In fact, I just met an actor recently who worked in one of his recent films here in Goa itself, who told me, he said, I was just blown because first of all, he cast me just like that. I thought I have to go through a series of auditions. And then I'm here on set and I'm like waiting for the great Ram Gopal Verma to give me direction. And he rolls the camera, he says, just do. So I, he fully freaked out. It was pasine chhoot rahe uske, So uh, then he first, of course, he was a bit nervous about it, but then apparently he did it. And Ram Gopal Verma saw it and whatever. And he planned his next move with this actor based on what that actor did instinctively, right? And I've realized that's something that he's retained. I haven't worked with him in years, but it's very evident that that's how he works, and it's a fascinating way to work in which um, you don't control so much. You know what you're going for, but you have somebody in front of you who has a particular kind of energy, and you want to see what he's going to give you or she's going to give you, and you allow that to happen, and based on that you steer into the direction that you want. And that's what happened with the Pakia scream. So what Sushant did, his scream was, of course, unexpected to everyone. He's a fantastic actor, that guy. But I think it also embodied the the kind of fear that was in all of us because of what was happening in Bombay at the time with Gulshanji's death and all of those things. So that was the sur that I think Ram Gopal Verma caught on to, and he has often attributed the uh, uh, the film that was. It says that this film was shaped by that. Uh,
एक और दे शाबाश ये बात है ना
ए, ये दाढ़ी नवा है क्या इधर? नाम लिख ले इसका। रोकड़ा निकाल। 100 रुपया।
किस लिए? ए भाई पूछता है किस लिए?
ए चूतिए, पूछने देना। रोकड़ा दे रहा है ना, पूछना मांगता है चाहे। ऑर्केस्ट्रा कराने का बस्ती में। चल अभी निकाल पैसा। ए दाढ़ी, ढीला है क्या? पैसा निकाल पैसा।
ये काय को पंगा लेता पैसा दे के नक्की करना चक्का के आदमी
क्या अभी समझ में आया? चल अभी निकाल पैसा। ए मातरपा, ज्यादा शार्ट पट्टी नहीं। क्या दाढ़ी उस तरह देख के गीला हो गया? हाँ?
अरे पानी लेके आओ कोई। अरे क्या देखा, पानी लेके आओ।